In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Suno AI with my voice. First, go to the web browser and search for Suno AI. Now, click on the second website to reach the Suno AI website. Once you reach the website, log in into your account by clicking on the login button shown at the top. After that, click on the library option provided on the left side. You can choose Google, Apple, Discord, or Microsoft to create your account. To create your account with Google, click on the Google icon. Here, choose your Google account and it'll create your account. In the library, you'll get different song lists along with the Upload Audio option. Hit the Upload Audio button and drag any audio from your files to the website. Then, click on Upload one file and you can add any new image. After that, click on Continue and agree to the terms. It'll upload your audio to the list of libraries. Here, click on Extend and select the Surprise More option. Now, entering the style of music and the title of the song. In the end, hit the Extend button. You'll easily play the audio to listen to it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.